Okay, so this video is for some of you who have commented on my other video on Redmi Note 3 saying that your selfie stick is not working on Redmi Note 4. So this video is just to show you that selfie stick does work on Redmi Note 4. So but before that I would need to show you some proof that this is Redmi Note 4. So I'm going to my system settings and about phone, and right on top it's here, Redmi Note 4. Okay, so this is the Redmi Note 4. Now I'm gonna open the camera app and let's see if selfie stick works on this one. So if the selfie stick works, then if when it's clicking we should see some flicker on the screen a little bit. So let's see that it works. So let's try the front facing camera also. This is the front facing camera. It's directed to the ceiling and I'm clicking. The front facing camera works too. So let's see the pictures we just took. So these are taken from the front facing camera and these are taken from the rear facing camera. So it's working in my case at least. So let's see what are the settings I used for the selfie stick on my Redmi Note 4. So this is the camera app. I have opened the camera and when I press long press the menu, we should be able to see setting where we can change the volume button function. So this is it, volume button function. Remember that it should be set to shutter instead of zoom and volume. Okay, so the camera will use the volume button on the side to perform this function. So once this is set, so remember that it should always be set to shutter if we want to use a selfie stick. Now I'm getting out. Now remember that once you set the volume key to function as shutter, you can also use the volume key to click pictures without even using the selfie stick, that is. So let's try. There you go. So that is one setting that has to be done on the camera app. Now there's another setting that has to be done on Redmi phones, that is by going to settings and scroll down and you should be able to see something called additional settings. And under additional settings you should be able to see headphone and audio effects. Tap on that. So you should be able to see on top a setting known as headphone and remote buttons. So under this headphone and remote buttons we have two options. One is control volume level and the other is control music playback. So what it means is that when you use a headphone that has some buttons on it, when you press that button, what should happen? So because selfie stick uses the 3.5mm jack, it's almost the same as inserting an earphone. So as you can see here, the phone is already showing us that a headphone is inserted, right? So this also needs to be changed. You should always keep it on control volume level when you are using a selfie stick, otherwise the selfie stick will not work. So these are the two places that you have to check to let your selfie stick work. After doing all this and still your selfie stick doesn't work, then probably the problem is with your selfie stick, or maybe the selfie stick has some compatibility issues. So that's all. So that's it. Thank you.